I have come across a treasure trove of Halloween fun. I know, everyone's thinking it, I'm just saying it. Pirates! Alright, I'm out here with Daniel and Brian, who invited us out to the pirate ship this year, and we are looking at probably one of the more unique Halloween decorations I've ever seen put on a house. You know, you don't get this in Walmart, people. These people, for the past couple years, and I think it's 5, I'll find out in a minute, but about the past 5 years have been dressing their house up like the ship, like a pirate ship, in front of their house. See that? Ye be warned. Ye be warned. Yeah. So we're gonna try and stick around till nighttime. We'll probably go away, come back for nighttime, and see what it looks like lit up. All right, so I'm with Neil, who is are you the owner?
No,
or just
the creator.
The creator, okay. How long have you been doing this?
3 years.
3 years? Anyone ever give you any guff?
No, we used to get honks.
Any swabbies try and steal your treasure?
Only one skull's missing.
Only one skull, really? Do people actually try and pick something up and take it out of here?
Kids.
Do they?
Just play with it. Little kids.
Hey, moms and dads, a skull is not a toy, okay? I'm just saying.
I call out to all the spirits in this place, this building. Please come towards us now. Come towards the center of this table. I call out to all the spirits here. Please let us know of your presence. Let yourselves be known. Come towards me, hear my voice. To all the spirits in this place, this building.
All right, so how many people come and visit this on a daily basis?
On a daily?
Weekly, let's go weekly.
1,000.
Really? And it's so popular that the City of Celebration has to account for your traffic pattern. True?
Right, we got 4 police officers on Halloween.
There you go. See, if you build it, they will come. Right?
On Halloween, 3,500 to 4,000 kids.
If you build it, they will come. All right, we're gonna take a walk up. Daniel already wants to be a pirate, and we're with Brian.
Hey everybody, nice to see you again.
Everybody, I'm sorry. Say it again.
I said, hey everybody, nice to see you again.
I'm too quick on him because I don't expect him to say anything. He's kind of a shy guy, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, he's totally shy. Anyway, we're gonna walk up the street in Celebration, get something to eat, and come back for nighttime. So we should be fun. Daniel, you having fun?
I am having a blasty blast.
Talking a pirate's voice. Talking a pirate's voice. Do it!
I can't.
Do it! Oh, pressure. I'm now back at the pirate ship. We're waiting for the night to come down, and look, I scored me some chicks. I know, they're not much to look at, but they're fun. They can drink. Yeah, my dates for tonight. Alright, so it's gotten dark here now, and I've gotten plenty of shots with the Canon, so Mighty Thor from Celebration, Florida at the pirate ship. See ya!